How to set up buy any 3 products, get 1 free gift. This tutorial is going to learn you how to set up buy any 3 products, get 1 free gift. One of the most appealing rules in creating free gifts is buy X, get Y, which means when customers buy a specific number of products from your online store, they can receive a free gift, including other products available in your store. Buy X, get Y method is not limited to BOGO gifts. You can set other WooCommerce free gifts by selecting this method in our plugin. For example, let's try to create a rule for offering buy any 3 products, get 1 free in WooCommerce product gift plugin. In this method, your customers receive a free gift by purchasing every 3 products repeatedly. Set up buy any 3 products, get 1 free gift. To set up a new free gift after installation of our plugin, at first, you need to navigate to this address, WordPress dashboard, Itemland, free gift. Then to create a new free gift, press Add Rule button on the main page. As soon as adding a rule, a new form will be displayed and you are able to set the conditions according to your requirements. To create buy 3, get 1 as a repeated free gift, you can follow this instructions. Methods section. Add buy X, get Y repeat from the rule list provided under Method field Quantities and Settings section. Change the quantities and settings as following. Buy 3, get 1. Mark same gift. If you want the free gifts to be added automatically to the customer cart, mark Auto Add Gift to Cart. Otherwise, a list of products you have specified in Product Get section will be displayed to the customer, and they are able to add one of them as a gift to their cart. Product Buy section. Now, in the Product Buy section, you need to specify after purchasing which products from your online store the customer will receive this free gift. For example, consider that you want to offer a free gift to those customer purchase 3 products from accessories and music categories. Click on Add Products. Choose Product Category from the first combo box. Select In List from the next box. In the selection box, type A and select Accessories. From the list, then type M and select Music. Get section. In the Get section, you can specify those products that are offered as a free gift to the customers. As you can see, we have provided 4 fields to help you include, exclude products or categories to be offered as a free gift. For example, consider that you want to offer all products in the music category as a gift. Click on that product, type M on the Include Category Tag Taxonomy field. Choose Music from the list of Caddy. Conditions section. In the Conditions section, you can set extra rules for offering free gifts to the customers. For example, if you want to offer buy 3, get 1 repeated gift every Saturday on your online store, you can set the conditions as following. Click on Add Conditions. Choose Days of Week. Select Saturday from the list. Activate the free gift. To activate this free gift, you just need to press Save Changes button.
What?